Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get minty breath. For an immediate refresh, grab some sugar-free gum or a mint. Quickly brush your teeth and tongue after eating, and then rinse with an alcohol-free mouthwash. These simple steps can give you a burst of freshness right when you need it most, helping you feel more confident throughout your day. Maintaining minty breath starts with a consistent daily routine. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes, twice a day, and don't forget to floss daily to remove trapped food and plaque. Using a tongue scraper every morning is also crucial, as it removes bacteria that cause odor, ensuring a truly clean and fresh feeling. What you eat and your lifestyle choices significantly affect your breath. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water helps wash away food particles and keeps your mouth moist. Try to limit strong-smelling foods such as garlic and onions, and definitely avoid tobacco products, as they are major contributors to persistent bad breath. If you've tried these tips and still struggle with persistent bad breath, it might be time to visit your dentist. Sometimes, chronic bad breath can signal underlying dental or health issues that require professional attention. Your dentist can identify the cause and recommend specific treatments or professional cleanings to help you achieve lasting fresh breath.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.